stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. I'm happy that you're here with me. I'm sorry if I tear up. When me and you were younger, you would always make me cheer up. Taking goofy videos while watching through the bar. You would jump into my arms every time you had a bar. Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.